Hi, my name is Nazareth, and I will talk about the video of the Samsung service in Indiana and the teaching that this involves. And this video shows through a television company the importance of doing our job well, and no matter how difficult it is, we must do things with love and for me, another point of view is that when we propose something or when we have a, a goal, we must meet achievables and our dreams and no matter the difficulties and the challenge that we have to pass along the way to reach success. And sometimes people decide to give up halfway simply because everything is complicated without realizing that the reward for all effort me will be even greater. And in life there will be many falls, strong blows that we try to know you, however we have to move forward and we don't see anything else bad. We have to see everything that awaits for us as a good. And I think that always after something is bad comes something much better. We just have to keep advancing to deepest. Don't give up. Overcome every obstacle that faces and climb to the top of a personal mountain and reach the top. There will there we will find everything who seek strive every day to meet our goals is the task that each of us has. And I think we are all different and sometimes our difficulties will be greater than these of something else some of that than those of someone else that our goals are different, therefore our problems will be different, and it is important always to remind us of our goals, to remember that we want to achieve and in moments difficult to be clear. That is only part of the process, and that one day you will only remember everything that you surpassed to be able to achieve your dreams. And some people think that as I have a problem here, I will give up and I will forget everything that I am struggling for. And it should not be like this. We must strive day by day to overcome everything that prevent us from reaching the goal. And this video or commercial about Samsung is actually one of the few commercials that really leave you thinking about how important some small things are. And insofar as that was my teaching, and the video focus on showing that no matter how far place where they want to live and everything that will have to happen in order to reach their goal at the moment, and they are really going to fulfill their objective. And in personality, I think or I believe that life is about going overcoming obstacles every day because we have problems every day, we have obstacles every day, and we face different obstacles. Don't matter if they are small or doesn't matter if they are big, because they are obstacles, and we have to learn to live with them because the life is a big obstacle. The life is only one, and for me, we have to learn to live with obstacles, and we have to learn to live failure, and 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 to we have to learn to overcome them regardless of their magnitudes because that is what life is about. moving forward and moving forward regardless of whether it is difficult or not. And personally, that was my opinion. Thanks.